So this is another question, 2019. This question reads, write 4 inequalities that define the unshaded region are on the diagram below. So there are how many lines here? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember the rules. The rules are that whenever the line is dotted, it is say that the symbol will be less or greater, and whenever it's continuous, it will be less or equal to or greater or equal to. See? So now let's see how we're able to tackle this question. So for me, I like starting with those lines which are very horizontal and very vertical because they can easily be spotted, right? They can easily be spotted. So look at this line. It has crossed on 6 on the y-axis. So I start y is equal to 6. Where have they shaded? They have shaded where it is greater, because here you have 7, 8, 9, whatever, 10. Huh? They have shaded where it is greater. So me, I'll write the less symbol. But which less symbol? This is a dotted line. It's a dotted line. So I'll write this less than this one. This is my first inequality. See that? The other one, the very vertical one, is this line. This one, right? So this one, it has crossed on 2 on x-axis. So you write x is equal to 2. Where have they shaded? They have shaded where it is greater. You write the less symbol. But which less symbol is for a continuous line, right? So you write less or equal to 2. This is your second inequality. The other inequality is this one. Have you seen this line? It has crossed on 0 in this way. Huh? Now, for such a line, from today onwards, take note that whenever you have this one, you see, this is y is equal to x. That's the equation. And whenever you have a line which is crossing like this, just know it is y is equal to negative x from today onwards. Take note. So this line will easily say the equation will be y is equal to negative x. You see that? So where have they shaded? Where it is less. Like we said, the line which is slanting like this one, below the line is less, above is what? Greater. So they have shaded where it is less, as we should write the greater part. Greater which way? This one, the dotted one, which is greater, this one, the dotted one, greater negative 6. This is our third inequality, right? This is our third inequality. The final one, you have seen here, this line has crossed on negative 2, which is negative 2, 0. This is our x1, y1. It has also crossed on 4 here. So it's 0, 4. So this one is our x2 and y2. So you need to find the gradient, the slope. Gradient means slope. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the slope will be y2 is 4, y1 is 0 over x2 is what? 0 minus x1 is negative 2. When signs are following each other, you put in brackets so that in the next category you'll be able to look for, you'll be able to come up with a single sign. So gradient is equal to 4 minus 0, 4 over negative times negative, positive, 0 plus 2, 2, right? So gradient is equal to 2. So from today onwards, take note that all the lines which are slanting this way, the gradient will be positives, and the ones which will be slanting in that direction, the gradient will be what? Negative. So the equation of the straight line is given by this formula. y minus y1 is equal to gradient in brackets x minus x1. So you replace where there is y1, gradient, and x1. So you go back to the coordinates, you can use this one. If you use this one still, it's fine. You'll be required to make this x1 and that one y1. The answer will be the same. But anyway, let's just go for the one already categorized x1, y1. We do it. So y minus y1 is 0. Gradient is 2. X1 is what? Negative 2. So it will be y minus 0. Why should you get bothered? It's gone. Leave it out. Even if it was plus, leave it out. How can you add a 0 to something? It won't make any impact. Leave it. So 2 times x, or for now, don't multiply. First of all, do negative times negative, positive. So it's like this. So now it will be y is equal to 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. This is the equation of a straight line. Which line? This one. Now, where have they shaded? They have shaded above the line, meaning greater, as we should write the less part. Which less part amongst these? This is a continuous line, so we should write this less or equal to. So the answer will be less or equal to 2x plus 4. This is our fourth what? This is our fourth inequality.